Unit 12 of hermeneutics is actually going to cover two genres of biblical literature. One of those is going to be Old Testament poetry, so we'll talk about the Psalms and some of the other poetry that we find specifically in the Old Testament. But we're also going to talk about Old Testament narrative. There's a lot of narrative in the Old Testament as well, so we'll cover both of these chapters in our textbook. So again, as always, we'll begin with our assigned reading. This will be two separate chapters in your textbook, 373 to 396 and 331 to 354. This unit will be a little bit different than prior units because, again, we are covering two different genres, so you'll actually find two different PowerPoint videos. One of those will cover poetry and the other one will cover Old Testament narrative. You'll have one discussion board which will relate to the Psalms, so again, post in that discussion board, do it early enough in the unit where the rest of the students in the class can read it and engage with the content of your post. You have one assignment to turn in this unit, and that's going to be step 2 of your passage for this semester. Again, you chose one of 4 passages. You turned in step 1 last unit. You're going to turn in step 2 this unit. Now remember, in step 2, what we're doing is measuring the width of the river. What are the differences between the biblical audience and us? So you'll see the assignment there in Blackboard. You can upload it. It'll walk you through just a little bit of what I'm looking for, but essentially I'm looking for a couple of paragraphs describing some of the most significant similarities or differences between their day and our day. When you've uploaded that assignment, again, as with all of our units, we'll close out the unit with a quiz on the reading and the PowerPoint videos.